My sister brought me here. I was not really on the right path in life. I always engaged in very unhealthy behaviors with myself and others. So she suggested that I did letting go, and I agreed.
We have what's called Letting Go Weekend, which is the first introductory program. And it's just a weekend, Friday to Sunday. You get to choose whether you want to stay here or you can come and go. And that is like an introductory for you to let go of whatever it is that's holding you back.
And I took a chance and I came to letting go. And I really never looked back. It was a life-changing experience where I met incredible people in just 1 week, and in less than 48 hours, I fell in love with people that I'd never met or spoken to before. By the time that we were leaving on Sunday, it was like nobody wanted to let each other go.
I had never gone through therapy. In my household, there was never any discussion of any mental work or mental health work. And it was a little resistant, but nonetheless, I slowly but surely, I shared stuff with my group that I'd never shared with anybody, including my wife, parents, and it turned out to be the most amazing group that I could that I could have asked for.
Yeah, for me it has been such a blessing to witness the before and the after, the transformation and the willingness and the trust that people put in us. They come here once a month, they take time of their whole weekend to disconnect from the outer world and be here and just look inside.
You know, change is uncomfortable, and it's uncomfortable to look at yourself, but it's the most beneficial thing I've ever done. It's crucial, you know, because that's how we heal, right? And yeah, it's just a beautiful process.
This experience, this journey helped me develop healthy relationships with people, with my family. It helped me have the courage to continue my education and get my master's in mental health to be able to help other people just like it did for me.
At home, it brought so much peace, you know, peace to raise my daughter, peace for myself, peace for my wife, peace for my home, peace at work.
We really do need to build like a toolbox, and that it's like invaluable once you actually recognize the tools that they give you here.
And you get to change your old beliefs, that old tape that's in your mind that I'm not good enough, I'm not worthy, and you get to make new beliefs and new behavior decisions.
So what we do here is really creating that safety inside of you, that no matter what happens outside, that you can hold on to that safety, that it's yours. It's just, only you can create that.
This place is just like all love. You know, that's what makes it different and special.
Leading with love, I feel like, is the most important thing that we learn here.
Again, these are tools that I use every day, every day.
It fine-tunes your life. It helps you to see and live life the way you're supposed to, the way we're all meant to be, you know, the way we deserve. That's why we're here, right?